It was a rainy day and the nature was so beautiful. I like them. In that moment, I saw a bird.
పిట్ట పడింది కిందన.
I don't know which bird it is.
ఏమైంది?
By seeing the color, I don't know which bird it is because it is the black color. I told Mom, can I take it?
తెచ్చేస్తానమ్మా, వదిలేసేదాన్ని ఫ్రీగా.
Darling, if you touch it, Mom. I told him and told Papa.
ఎగరలేకపోతున్నానా?
I don't know English.
కొంచెం పైన పెట్టు.
I pick it up and keep it there.
చేయగడు.
And in that moment,
చేయగడు.
it flew a little bit. So my mother told, it will try to fly. I told, okay, Mom. Mom, I want to touch it. I keep feeling I can touch it and adopt it. So my mother told, it will relax. Good. It will relax. Mom, please can I touch it? No, darling. If you want, Mom, can I bring her the water? She said, yes, darling, bring her the water. So I brought the water and it was not drinking it. It was seeing at the wall. I don't know why it was seeing. Why it was seeing. It was not drinking. I took a leaf. I plucked the leaf and keep touching her that she will drink. But it is not drinking. It has climbed the stem where I touched it. Wait. Now it will come. I'll show you. See? It has climbed a small stem. My brother came and helped me. My mother told me, take a newspaper and keep it in the newspaper. I tried to take it, but I can't. It has strength. That's why my brother tries to, but he can't do it. I thought it has strength. Before I thought it doesn't have strength. It has